She told me that she had been following me. Spanish pop singer opens up on surprise proposal from Cristiano Ronaldo's girlfriend Georgina Rodriguez. In a recent appearance on the popular movie stars program Martinez y Harmones, Spanish pop singer Barrett revealed a surprising connection to Cristiano Ronaldo's girlfriend Georgina Rodriguez. Barrett, a highly regarded artist on the Spanish pop scene, opened up about how Rodriguez reached out to him for an unexpected collaboration. According to Barrett, Rodriguez initially contacted him, expressing her admiration for his music and revealing that she had been following his career. The surprise came when she proposed that they perform together in the final episode of her Netflix documentary, Soy Georgina's, at the Starlight event in Malaga. The duo ultimately performed Barrett's hit song "Si por mi fuera" in 2021. Looking back on the experience, Barrett recalled that the performance as brutal, admiring Rodriguez's courage to step out of her comfort zone and sing despite her lack of experience. Why Mando Deportivo? He went on to praise her as a very close person, saying they have maintained contact since their collaboration.